scheduled. Why is it not? In view? Are we live? Not me, sorry. Trio sortio allan, trying to sort out stuff. Croeso pawb i'r stream. Gobeithio cael wythnos dda a everybody to the stream. And welcome to the VOD. Chi'n gwylio, diolch i'r croeso i'r VOD. Chi'n gwylio. I hope you're keeping safe, keeping dechrau wythnos neis, had a nice week. Usual stuff. This is being recorded and uploaded live because this is something we can do to YouTube. Unfortunately, yn anffodus, but yeah, croeso pawb, so croeso os da chi yn y stream. Diolch a croeso os da chi yn y stream. Thank you, welcome in the stream. And if you're watching the VOD as da chi'n gwylio VOD. So, slight catch up. Last part of this, I didn't do much on Twitch. I was throwing my builds off when we went into the house. I was just doing some odd little bits and bobs. Basically, and part dwytha, so I'm trying to do a catch up now, and I don't even remember. Dwi ddim yn cofio. My sim died annoyingly just after being live, just ar ôl fod yn fyw dwytha. So they're here for now. We need to take them to the cemetery today, which we'll do that. The funeral, which is fun. So because we're going to an adult heddiw, I'm in the adult heddiw. I've done some rearranging. So now Creadigol have got their own room, and Hugo has their own little room here. A mae Hugo fo rŵm ystafell hyn a Creadigol yn ystafell hyn. Mae and Kurt are in here now, and my Kurt fama and Crystal and Enwys will be in here. And Vanna. Fun thing is here as well, I'm going to try and fit 2 or 3 toddlers in yma. Plant. So dyna pan mae'r ystafell mor fawr. That's why the room is so big as well. So I can fit a few kids in here as well. That's the catch up we needed, I guess. Dwi'n meddwl, okay, ti'n cysgu. Everybody was asleep last night. Oh, get ready for it. I don't know. I've got computer lock settings on this. I always di bob tro'n neud hyn, cos dwi'n gwybod mae'n swnio'n rhyfedd, ond mae'n meddwl, mae'n y cacar mama hefyd. Mae'n feddwl bod, beth ti'n galw, when people come over, they don't go to your computer. Dyn nhw ddim yn mynd i cyfriadu chdi bob tro. Everyone but household, bob o ti. Okay, cool. So mae parti di dechrau. Hunger. Pan ni'n mynd i cael Steve. Can you like we'll get Kurt to blow the candles over. Kurt team help. We do need to get Kurt, like we'll have actual birthday party for Kurt. Mae pawb yn drist though. Sy'n anffodus. O, rhan i chdi? Yeah, pawb. Everybody's gonna be fun to play with. Ti'n iawn ar gyfer rwan. I was thinking about having it a penblwydd yn Plas Awen eto. I was thinking about having the birthday in Plas Awen again. But I need to get you married tonight. So are we doing it tonight? Are we gonna get Fory? Da ni'n neud priodas. Okay. So we've got lots of events. So Kurt's birthday, penblwydd Kurt heddiw, priodas fory, a yeah, toddler. Aging up into toddler, and I think we'll get another baby on the way. Cael babi arall ar y ffordd. Cos da ni efo lot o adult Sims. We've got lots of adult Sims and it could work at the moment. Dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n meddwl anyway.
Hey!
Woohoo! Yibs! Shroby! Shorg!
So you can't celebrate because there's too many people.
Haha! Zarkini!
Ah.
Right. Saga.
Oh, Mama mor drist. That's such a sad. Yeah, okay, so that's adult stuff. Okay, cool.
Slarfa! Taro!
Oh, that's fine. Crystal's here! You try and, like... Oh, she looks pretty. Very cool pet. Look. Dell. Looks very cute. Ooh, who's got the camera? Pwy sydd o'r camera? I've edited the wall of photos hefyd. Cool. I think we'll do a take photo with Crystal, because Crystal... Do we not know Crystal? Dan yn gwybod Crystal. It's a teen sorted.
Rubin. Ha! Kipahoi iba.
Oh, okay, mae'n a lot o pobl yma.
Oh, a sniffer! Ugh!
Okay, so teen hapus. You need bladder and stuff. This aspiration, so trio of it. The next one's getting 75,000 during cost site date. Good. See Hannah for. You're halfway through, so if we get another baby, we will have 5 Sims. 10 Sims a help you though. No, so this should be okay.
Slap. Wash. Don't brab up Caro. So. Binkoba Sheshere. Zagluna Tweebs.
Hakyoin Limla? Roslapa. Iboya Pleepasta. Rowena. Son Fulibo Daba. Fasten.
Dwi'n gallu 9. Dwi'n can! Dwi'n gallu! We can. This is really cute. This is like get out. Try and get everybody in. Kurt's not there.
Noi
So we've got all the Dewch family.
Raj, don't know Garo.
You down him.
Blow fire, Balafon.
Where's Kim need? Wait, hold on. You're not been introduced to your mother. Teelichty. Wait, put it to. Adams. Okay, and diddorol. That is interesting. Okay, bit Sinead. Teen trees. Do you need to do anything for work actually? Because it's did or gwaith. No, teen yawn. You need to pee in a second, but we will get you. What are you doing now?
Eventful. Been for him.
Grenea.
Okay, so I'm going to do photos crystal another day amser arall. Dwi'n gwneud llun hefo Alexander Kurt. Why are you doing that? Go see your family. Go to Taylor. Can you baby defro?
Chamagra. Sublur for
Yeah, we're giving you different. Anyway, then I'm gonna just wake up any second.
Warba Quest.
Wobbin' on.
Stephanie Flurba.
Wavu. Ruscon Lapima. Muchi Pichi. Camus Band.
Something uncomfortable looking at the Sims on the intro. Come on. Cool.
Lovo.
Okay, so why are you flirty? Pam wyt ti'n flirty hefyd? I have no idea.
Left a Parsicon.
Wavu. Ruscon
So ar y
Lapima.
wal wan, we've
Muchi
got
Pichi.
this ar y wal yma, on this wall here, we've got this on this wall here, so it's a fanna. And then on the wall in the bedroom, we're going to hwn o fama wan. With one. Okay, the baby's going to wake up any second. Yeah, that's putting a real damper. So, what they're going to have to do is, once my party did go fun, I think we'll have to, like, honestly, I'm kind of tempted to finish this party in a second. Do you know bin arall yma? Can I put another bin here? Yeah, maybe put one of those bins. Fama, so ma'n hawsach. In a hallway, lle. Don't know. It'd be beneficial to get another bin upstairs. Okay, 18 siarad. Do you need to do anything? 'Cause baby's awake now. No. Cool. that. And I'm looking, I was watching somebody do, how was it, Kelsey? Peaches May doing the, like, an challenge. And, yeah, I was wondering, like, oh, go check your baby. And I was wondering, like, there's like super efficient baby kit, but I don't know if someone just got, if that's what they call it. I know that. Mae'n amazing, this does happen weithiau. Maen nhw'n just cymryd eiliad when they just take a second. Kind of an action ago, they don't do it, and then they do it. It's really weird. Everybody can do whatever they want as long as it's done. Where's Nappy gone?
Rabla, Shimba Bluff.
Ti'n sefyll arno fo? Maybe this just be like... Okay, we'll take Babby downstairs and just do something with pobl. The Goths, poety. Oh, Bella Goth.
Me?
She must be through this because lots. Little tea with mint. Have you gone? A ti'n ei bathu. Where's the babby? Let me pick the babby up. Okay. So the babby was just left on the floor. That's cool. Sims. Are you a goth? Yeah, you are a goth. Bella is... Not you, dim chdi, pwy? Wait, where's Bella gone there? Introduce Taylor. We'll introduce family and then we're just going to take my OG Sims grave to the Reedman ones. What you need? Here you go. Okay, mae'n gweithio. Yeah, weithio mae'n cymryd eiliad I jyst neud o. Ti'n honestly fine with gogol, dwi'n meddwl, wait, ti.
Don't be like
Oh, okay, well, although I'm like you didn't like it. Have you just taken the baby away? You have? Okay. Can I have the baby back, please? Can I have the baby back? Please give me the baby back. No. Can I have the baby back, please? Get baby no. Oh, hold on. How do you get the baby back? Ti'n cael babi nôl? I want him. Oh, hold on. Can I have the baby back, please? Get baby nôl. How do you... I'm gonna do this. Cheat this little. Chickens into one.
Swing cow free for.
Cool. Now, diolch am wneud hynna. Oh, for a second it was like not being able to do anything. Oh. Ti'n gadael. Well, you can come back here. Are you leaving or are you not? Can you not? Ti'n gallu neud hynna? Oh, so ti'n gallu dod gyda'r plant, so you can't do it for kids. Okay. Diddorol. Yeah, ti'n licio one. I don't. That's why he kidnapped you.
Yay, boo.
So. You're getting along with it anyway. Honestly, you're just gonna fit it on the show. Get any pub gadael ideally. Oh, it's cute. Maybe we could just do like screenshots fel lluniau. Come on. Like, hello, dyma nain. This is your grandma. Really cute. Oh. He's gonna take the baby away now for a bit, aren't you? Hwn ydy'r introduction then. Di hwn i'r fatha'r thing instruction. Animation. Join the queue. Cos mae'n diddorol that is introduced to some animation. That's when I'm just kind of just take it. But on the end, panicio go already dead because they were just taking the baby somewhere. The current baby rule. Cassandra Goss? Oh, maen nhw wedi gadael. Oh, okay, cool. Well. Mae'n iawn. Everybody can go sleep. Beth ti eisiau ti hynny? Oh, yeah, need diaper and fun. So if we chuck you in your room, you can do stuffs. Again, what I'll do is nawn ni gadael cael babi nôl, please. Have the baby back, please. There you go. Pick up. So why did the pick up? Why was the pick up from thing not there then? Yeah, pick up Creadigol and put Creadigol in here. Dal have a Creadigol? Do you still have Creadigol? No, pick up Creadigol. An alien. Let's check this. Get set down here. Oh, ti am it? Are you gonna do that? No, hold on. Okay, so Sims needs. So part 2 is a little bit chaotic. Mae'n iawn. That is okay. Can you hanner awr? Food. Grab food. Chdi'n iawn. Pan ni'n cwcio? Why don't you cook rather than get leftovers? Ti'n yn bob dim sy'n dy shower. Dim yn shower ti anna'n bwyd a bladder. Well, everybody's good for their skills yn diddorol. Beth ti anna'n? Ti anna'n shower, so unwaith ti'n neud hynna, you can go have a shower. Well, let's get you a boat. No, don't give Creadigol a bath. So priodas for it. Oh my god, the wedding is tomorrow now. Okay, so I got oed I fyny Creadigol, and we might just age them up yn y tŷ ben y hyn. Ddim ben y hyn. And yeah. Because that was a lot. I hit on lots, so we'll do like it was a dual. Either me either what's going to climb on it. It was a dual birthday party. It was Creadigol and Kurt's birthday. But actually, in a house like that is so much easier. It will just age you up. When there's food, they're doing food. We are going to put this out. Don't trust your tan. Okay. Kind of like a reset point. Honestly, yeah. Just gonna do that for now. So that's sorted. Mae'n wedi cael sortio. We're just getting the adults done now. Teacher said you needed food and you need bladder mewn eiliad. Pan ti'n mynd fanna? Oh. Why are you going to that one up there? So we just get the Sims tea in Eventful. So I think what we're gonna do is the baby's okay for now. The baby's okay for now. All the Sims are okay for now. There's no fires or some tan. Say that. I think we travel with you. So tea mama, we're gonna put you and Rama. We're gonna take my OG Sims to the man went to the cemetery. Just need it to be done, so that's sweet. So and then if we do this, fast forward through a north, fast forward through the night. There's some flower in it. Then the priodas worry, we'll have the wedding tomorrow. Which I was on trying to get it at the So dwi'n mynd i dynas for the place I'm going to show you now. But doedd ddim gadael fi plannu fo. It wasn't let me... Oh. It wasn't let me have it because it's generic, but I can't... Dwi'n gallu... Mae'r lot yn generic, because it's a generic lot. But I can't change it to wedding because I don't have all the stuff in it. Dwi'n meddwl beth o'n fo. So, dyn ni'n cogio bod we're pretending that there's a wedding place for it. Because I don't know how to change it otherwise. I'm going to newid o fel arall. I think for arall sy'n gallu, the only other way I could do it is if I just travel there. I travel in my Sims. We will try it. So yeah, there's an empty spot there for her. So then we have where's the urn? Oh, there. Both of them together, ddau nhw fo gilydd. That's Cariad. That's my two OG Sims. This is meant to represent Herm's grave. Beth, Herm, because, you know. We'll do a little this. We'll do that. We need hwn and that before leaving as well. Cemetery in midnight. The mynwent ganol nos. But basically, chatting here. I decorated this all nice inside, so ti'n gallu bod mae'n barod y gyfriodas, so you can see it's ready for a wedding. I did it all nice and like prairie, mae'n nice a pedal, but it can't be scheduled as a wedding venue gyfer ryw reswm. Gyfer lle priodas ar gyfer ryw reswm, so ddim siwr. Let's stick with what? Okay. Cool. Can we add you to the household? No, ti'n gallu. He's better friends with Cariad. Wait, hold on. Yeah, baby pictures. Excuse me? Okay. Well. Cool. Unexpected. Unexpected. So bod yn handy when it was on my lot. So os dwi'n cymryd beth fi. If I take your grave, will you come back to the house? Sorry, it's just this. It's the just darllan tra maen nhw'n crio amdan chdi fatha. Naid Richard, I'll just wait here till you're done before I say hello. If I take his grave back, does that mean? Oh, I don't know if my Sims are scared of ghosts. I honestly don't know. Wait a minute. Oh, that's right.
Sam's Pator with two.
That's kind of cute.
Huh? Woofa.
It's a baby photo. You add to the household now. Actions. Oh, wait, hold on. Form group. Find 8 sim limit. Ah, okay. Will my sims be too... Taking a grave with this, because I'm assuming your grave is what you're tied to. We'll see. Gawn ni weld beth sy'n mynd I digwydd. This is a development. Hwn yn development. Da ni ddim yn disgwyl hyn I wneud. Do we want a ghost? Yeah, we do. Actually, let's do travel with. Ti'n gallu trafeilio efo ysbryd. Do we want a ghost? Yes, we do. I don't know what that means. Dwi'n meddwl fyny. We can't travel. And I'm gallu. If I take their grave, that means they have to come with, right? Right? Oh, cool. We got an unexpected. It's kind of cute. Just talking to your dad, chatting to dad. So we dod nôl I fyw. I don't know if Mai's scared of ghosts or not. Dwi'n meddwl mae Mai dechrau nhw ysbryd. Well, cool. On you can come to the wedding. Gyda di priodas. Just have to carry the grave around with us. And a pimp, so we can get another 3. Okay. Oh no, wait. We can get another 2. In, because Crystal and down. Hugo might die at some point. My plan of kind of getting a lot of kids did not work then. Ella, we can make it work. Because the mana limit o 8 os yw'n mynd I a limit of 8 sy'n So, fory, we're just gonna just age up baby now. Can we do that now? I didn't go disco, we gotta wait. Okay, that's fine. So I think we just maybe do the wedding next time. Because this was not planned. I hwn ddim wedi cael ei plannu I digwydd. Sims. Oh, also the chaoticness. Ar ôl Sims fi marw tro dwytha, after my sim died last time, Kurt tried to flirt with the Grim Reaper. Just fun. So chdi hwnna. Are you gonna come here now? Yeah, they tried to, you know what I believe. Honestly, check in and just like, yeah. Okay, so then I'm going to so we'll have to go back to the cemetery. That's fine. We'll go I'll do that off stream. I thought if you took the grave back, sut ti, o ti'n cysgu yn y gwely? Oh, what are you doing? It's like a tornado. Ti'n trist? Okay, Dion higio. Put to bed by, chdi. Okay, so then ni'n cael pawb I gysgu. We will... So I gotta go work. We will... I know. Why was nobody checking on me? Like... I know, on E4, I was away visiting a ghost. Do... Yeah, no, cool. Sorted. Oh, right, what do we need you to do? Yeah, diolch gyda hynna. Put out the fire. Yeah, okay, cool. I just, maybe, for the best, I've given a gorau. It's not best to do a, to have a ghost around I cael ysbryd o gwmpas. Ti'n mynd I gysgu? No. Dwi ti yna'n toilet, go check. Why won't you let me do like soothe to sleep and everything? Dwi'n gadael fi wneud?
What be your maybe?
Okay. I haven't had this happen. Dwi'n mynd I cael hwn efo toddler yn gynt. Comfort, do cuddle. And then that's cute. Mae'n really cute. Okay, mae cael cadar, having a chair in the nursery is actually kind of handy.
Oh, shoot.
Do you have a toilet? I need food. Grab food. O bwyd I gael allan wed. Ti'n mynd gwely? Ti'n peintio? Okay, cool. Maybe this is a good place to end this part. Ella. Next part, o'n i'n trio cael priodas a babi oed I fod heddiw. I was trying to get the baby to age. I really did not expect that. So, yeah. Thank you everybody who's been fod in the stream. Thank you everybody who's been fod in a stream yn fyw. Thank you for watching. Sa'ch chi watchio fod. Thank you for watching. Gwyddwch sa'ch chi watchio fod. Bydd chi'n cael cyda da. There won't be one. There might be one this week. This is why I was doing it today. It might be in a week's time. So next Sunday or Monday, dydd Sul neu dydd Llun nesaf, dibynnu o bob dim sy'n digwydd. It's also depending on what everything happens this week. So yeah, diolch yn fawr. Thank you everybody for coming. But cadw saff. I hope you keep safe. Because have a good day wherever you are.
Kept the floor, huh?